Clear and accurate instructions and procedures are essential to the world of work. Instructions tell and frequently show how to do something, perform a simple task, operate a machine, construct, install, maintain, monitor, adjust, or repair equipment. Let's take a look at how to write instructions for business. Well, the purpose of writing instructions is to explain how to perform a task in a step-by-step manner. The process of writing procedures is slightly different. Often, the two terms are incorrectly used interchangeably. Procedures refer to policies, duties, protocols, and guidelines that a business or organization expects its employees to follow. Perhaps no other type of occupational writing demands more from the writer than do instructions because there's so much at stake for both you and the reader. The reader has to understand what you write and be able to perform the steps. You cannot afford to be unclear, inaccurate, or incomplete. Instructions are significant for many reasons, including safety, efficiency, and convenience. Well-written instructions help the business run smoothly and efficiently. No work would be done if employees did not have clear instructions to follow. Clear and easy-to-follow instructions make a customer's job easier and less frustrating. Instructions reflect a product or service's quality and convenience. They can create goodwill or destroy it. How many times have you heard complaints about a company because its instructions were hard to follow? Instructions can be given in a variety of formats, both in print and online, and can include numbered steps, bulleted steps, concise paragraphs, and outline instructions. Assess your audience needs by putting yourself in the reader's position. Do not assume that your readers have performed the process before or have operated the equipment as many times as you have. The more you know about how and why your reader will use the instructions, the steps will likely to cause problems, and the background information you need to supply, the easier and clearer your instructions will be to follow. Here's some key questions to ask yourself about your audience. The more you know about your audience, the better your instructions will be. To determine your reader's needs, ask yourself the following. How and why will my readers use instructions? How much background information should I provide? What steps will most likely cause the most trouble? And what types of visuals do I need to supply? To make sure your instructions are accurate and easy for your audience to perform, you must plan your steps, perform a trial run, write and test a draft, and revise and edit your instructions.